Hi, Matt Garrett here. This is a very quick video for my fellow product creators and launchers who use WarriorPlus. Just want to point something out that you may not be aware of. And the simplest way to illustrate this point is over on one of my WarriorPlus accounts. I'm going to blur out all of this over here because this bit is what we're interested in. The yellow is for when people pay using PayPal. The black is for when people pay using Stripe. Now, a lot of vendors on WarriorPlus just use PayPal or the WarriorPlus pocket or wallet system and ignore Stripe. It is well worth adding Stripe as an option on all your offers, launches and products. And the easiest way to demonstrate this is to simply scroll down the page so you can see the number of Stripe transactions compared to the number of PayPal transactions. You'll see they come in clumps or on their own. There is a good percentage of them. If I scroll on down, this is actually the last 100 transactions that I had on one of my WarriorPlus accounts. I just had a little launch going on, so we've got a good representation here. Now, I've actually counted up out of those 100 transactions listed on this page, there are actually 33 that are Stripe transactions. So in other words, a third of the transactions have come through Stripe rather than PayPal. Now, I actually have more than one business partner and more than one business, so I run 3 separate WarriorPlus accounts, and those numbers, that percentage, is consistent across all 3, and it's happened over the last 5 or 6 months, this uptick in people using Stripe rather than the vast majority of people using PayPal, which used to be the case. Now, I'm not going to speculate as to why it's happened. I'm just pointing out the takeaway here is if you're not offering Stripe as a payment option on your WarriorPlus offers, you should be. I hope you found this video useful. If you did, please feel free to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. You may also find it useful to check out the Facebook group's JV offers, which is where many product creators post their upcoming launches for WarriorPlus, JV Zoo, ClickBank, etc. So you can find some great offers up and coming on there. Thanks very much for watching.